Welcome back, my open source enthusiastic. So today's session we're gonna configure MUA. So previously what we did DNS server configuration in first video. In second video we did MTA configuration, mail transfer agent, which is MTA, which is SMTP. Sorry. And in the third video, the third following video, we configured this MDA, mail delivery agent, as like dovecoat. And in this video we're going to talk about MUA, and we will configure MUA in this video. So what is MUA? Mail user agent. So why we need this mail user agent? You will say that, oh, we already has this mail transfer agent and mail delivery agent, then why we need this mail user agent? But just imagine, you are technical person, right? Like a doctor, engineer, or some kind of artist, or your grandmother, something like that. So how you gonna send mail and receive mail using this backend process? Like I sent the previous mail by using telnet, right? But can your grandma do that? No. They need a graphical representation of their mail, so they can easily use their mail server, compose their mail and rearrange their mail according to their need, right? That's why we need mail user agent. So in open source world, two mail user agent we use, like first is a Thunderbird. This Thunderbird installation very easy, and second one is squrrielmail. The squrrielmail is for webmail. We can use this squrrielmail in a using web browser. So today we're gonna configure squrrielmail itself. So and let's start without any further ado. So for squrrielmail, I just we need to add one RPM repository file. You can see, let me add it. Okay, you can pause the video and copy paste the same thing, else you can find it elsewhere. Then and simply put down this squrrielmail, yum install squrrielmail -y, and it easily start download from your repository file which you added previously. And it's take little bit time, like I think 30 seconds. So let me see. Yes, almost there, because I just fast forward the things little bit. So okay, done. Okay, now just go inside this configuration file, which is in cd /user. Okay, might be net is little slow. Yes, cd /user /share /squrrielmail. What happened? Yeah, squrrielmail, and then config, then enter. And in this file we gonna use this ./config.pl, and it will start a following wizard. And in that we just change this organization name, press 1, enter, and we need to change this organization name squrrielmail. So just enter, and host 2, oh yeah, host 2 would be our organization name. Let's make it in that way only, so we don't have any confusion in that. So after you did, then simply press S to save, and then enter again, and just return back to our previous setting. Just press R then. Hello, why this net is so slow? Okay, R, and the server setting, press 2, and we need to change localhost. Okay, and we need to change localhost 1, and enter, and change it to as host1.away.begin.com. Sorry, let me rewind it. host1.away.begin.com, and then enter, and then change this third one, change it to SMTP, send mail to SMTP, because we are using SMTP protocol. The previously we configure SMTP, right? So we need to change it as SMTP. So 3 and enter, and this change is setting to second one, that SMTP, and enter, save, and quit. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Now it's a webmail MUA, so we need to configure httpd also as for adding to add this squirrel mail agent there, alias there. So yum install httpd, we need to add our Apache, and okay, it is already configured. Okay, let's go to its configuration file, as Apache's configuration file, httpd/conf. The many of you already knows this thing, so I don't need to explain everything. So dollar escape dollar and copy paste the thing. You can pause the video and check what I wrote, and write and quit. Yes. Now let's restart this httpd, enter, and let me add one more user there, because we already added one user, right? Bibin I think, right? Now we're gonna add one more user, like Bibin2 or Bibin1, something like that. So it has 2 users. I know we're gonna transfer from one server to other server, so we don't need any second user, but still I just give it as for my convenience. By the way, it's not convenient, it's my reflex to make one more user there, so I just ignore what I told. So yeah, we did pretty much there, and now let's get out from here and copy our host to IP address, and use our Google Chrome. Furthermore, we gonna add its IP/webmail to open this squrrielmail. Yes, done. Add our, sorry, use our user Bibin, and password also Bibin, login. Now in inbox there is one mail which is already we send in previous videos. You can check using SNTP. See, hello Bibin, we already have sent via telnet. Now what we gonna do, we just get out from here, and let's overview one more time what we did till now. We configured DNS server in my first video. Second video we did, second and third video we did this host to mail server, MDA, MTA, and MUA, and this video MUA. And now we need to configure the whole process in host 1 also, so we can send mail from host 1 server to host 2 server, the user of host 1 server to user of host 2 server. So host 2 server I added one user called OA. So let's come back to this terminal, and let's enter this host 1 server. The whole video process I never entered this, I never shown you this host 2 host 1 server until now. So just cross check everything, NS lookup, the same configuration of host 2 server. So let's check whether it resolving mail to, which is our host 2 server. is resolving or not. Let's see. And yes, it's resolved. Congratulations. I don't know why I said, like, still congratulations. And let's see, mail 1 and shall it yeah, it's resolving mail 1. Mail 1 is its current IP address and mail 2 is of our host 2 IP address. Just let's check our user OA. Yeah, we have a user here, name as OA. So okay, everything is fine and look fine. Now just copy this IP address here and paste it on browser so we can check whether it's working or not. /webmail OA and login. Right, yes, we entered. Now let's compose one mail to our user of host 2 server. So the user is Bibin of host 2 server, and its address is mail2.oa.bibin.conf. We can send Gmail also, but you can't receive any mail from Gmail here because it is not a proper proper domain name, right? So it's resolving because we use our domain name. So let's send one mail to our Bibin and let's check. Yes, we received the mail. Hallelujah. And furthermore, let's reply back. Let's see it can send a reply back or not. Can it reply back or not? Where's the reply button? Where's the reply? Yes, okay, here is it. And we will send hi, it's Bibin. And send. Let's check. Oh my god, I received this mail from Bibin also. So we successfully configured this mail server, and let's overview one more time what we did till now, how much we accomplished till now. So we configured a DNS server in my first video. Second video we configure a MTA, third video MDA, and this fourth video, which is final video for this mail server and MUA, and we send a mail from host 1 to host 2, and it can also reply back. So if you have any query regarding with this whole MTA, MDA, MUA or DNS server, please respond me in comment section. And you can contact me by sending mail in my mail address called it's info@clardosolution.org, which I already described in my description. So please like this video and share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye.